What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Vivid Money. Vivid Money is a digital banking and investment platform that offers a range of innovative financial services to help you manage your money more efficiently. With features like multi-currency accounts, interest-bearing savings, and investment options, Vivid provides a seamless and user-friendly way to take control of your finances. Now let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Vivid Business for Companies. Vivid Money's business offering provides companies with a robust suite of financial tools and services. One key feature is the ability to open unlimited business accounts and cards, all protected by a state-of-the-art fraud prevention system. Companies can also earn a fixed 4% interest on up to 10 million euros in deposits through Vivid's new interest account. The platform also allows for flexible personalization of business cards with the ability to restrict non-business expenses like gambling and set high limits for substantial business costs. Vivid offers both physical, metal, or recycled PET cards as well as digital cards with mobile payment support, making it easy for teams to make payment on the go. Additionally, onboarding a new team member is a breeze as they can start making payments instantly. Personal accounts. Vivid Money's personal accounts are designed to help individuals maximize the earning potential of their money. One standout feature is the ability to earn up to 5.38% interest per year on deposits through the interest rate pocket feature. Customers can also invest in over 300 cryptocurrencies with just €1, allowing them to diversify their portfolios. The platform also offers cashback rewards up to €140 per month by allowing users to select 6 spending categories. For those who manage finances with friends or family, Vivid's shared pockets make it easy to collaborate and stay on top of shared expenses. Importantly, all deposits are protected up to €100,000 by the German Deposit Guarantee Scheme. Apple Pay. Vivid Money's integration with Apple Pay provides customers with a seamless and secure way to make contactless payments. By adding their Vivid cards to their Apple Wallet, users can make purchases with their iPhone or Apple Watch without the need to carry physical cards. Transactions are encrypted and users' card numbers are never shared with merchants, ensuring a high level of security. This feature offers the convenience of mobile payments with peace of mind that comes with Vivid's robust security measures. Mobile app. At the heart of the Vivid Money experience is the user-friendly mobile app. This app allows customers to manage all their financial activities in one place, from viewing spending reports and splitting bills to making instant SCPA transfers and accessing their multi-currency account in over 30 currencies. The app also supports Vivid's unique stock rewards program, where users can earn stock when they make purchases with their Vivid card. With its comprehensive feature and intuitive design, the Vivid Money mobile app empowers customers to take control of their finances on the go. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Vivid Money is currently only available in select European countries, primarily in Eurozone. This may limit its accessibility for individuals or businesses outside of these regions. Expansion to additional markets could broaden Vivid's reach and appeal to a wider customer base. As a relatively new financial technology company, Vivid Money may face ongoing regulatory scrutiny and potential changes to the rules governing its operations. This could introduce uncertainty around the long-term stability and reliability of the platform, particularly for customers who rely on Vivid for critical financial services. Vivid's integration of cryptocurrency investment options may appeal to some customers, but it also exposes them to the inherent volatility and risk associated with the crypto market. Investors should be aware of the potential for significant price fluctuations and the need to thoroughly understand the risk before committing funds. Vivid Money is a game-changing digital banking platform that combines innovative features, competitive interest rates, and a user-friendly mobile experience to help individuals and businesses take control of their finances. With its robust security measures, seamless integration with Apple Pay, and commitment to transparency, Vivid Money is poised to revolutionize the way people manage their money in the digital age. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.